Here's the question. If you do a post and someone reposts it, or how about if someone just shares it, and then you delete your post, what happens to the repost or the share? Let me show you what happens. So I'm going to do a post. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to do a post. Testing. What happens if I delete my post that someone else shares or reshares? Stand by. All right. There's my post. It's out there. Now, I'm going to go to someone else's computer and I'm going to reshare it. Hang on, let me set that up. Here we are on somebody else's computer. I'm going to hit refresh. And let's see, Teddy's post didn't come to the top. Let's go find Teddy Burriss. Here it is. Let's go to his activity. There's that post right there. I'm going to copy that post URL. Let me just hang on to that. Give me a second. I'm going to put that aside. I got it. Now I'm going to repost it. Repost. You know, while I'm doing this, let me go to someone else's computer and let me share that. Give me a second while I set that up. All right, let me go find Teddy's post. And there's the post right there. Now, instead of repost, I'm going to hit click repost. I'm going to share with thoughts. Testing. Now, let me go back to Teddy's computer. Now, if I go look at that post, let's see, under notifications, Rebecca and one other person reshared this post. So if I click on that, let's see what I see. I got a repost and 2 shares. So Megan reposted it and Rebecca reposted it, but she actually shared it because she wrote the statement. Now, I'm going to go and I'm going to go delete that post. Give me 1 second. Go back to the post. There it is right there. I'm going to delete this. Hit the 3 dots and I'm going to hit delete. Am I sure? Yes. Now the post is gone. Now, let me see what happens in notifications. Still says it that they did it, but I'm going to go back to their computers. Give me a second. Here's Megan's. Let me see what happened to Megan's post. Go to her activity. There's no activity. So that activity is gone. That repost is gone. It's not there anymore. Let me go back and look at Rebecca's. Let me go to her computer. Here's Rebecca. I'm going to grab that link. Let me grab that link. Copy the link because this is the link I posted. But let me see what Rebecca did. Let me go to Rebecca's activity. It's not there. I should have copied that link beforehand. It probably would have said it doesn't exist. So bottom line is, if you delete your post that someone shares, their shared post goes away. If you delete your post that someone reposted, their reposting goes away. And furthermore, just by nature of fact, if you delete your post and a bunch of people liked it and a bunch of people commented and a bunch of people replied, all of that activity gets deleted as well, because all of that activity, repost, share, comment, like, reply, is all tied to your original post that is no longer there. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and sales navigator, strategist, trainer, and coach, and thank you for letting me experiment with this and show it to you.